Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best shower fixtures in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Delta Faucet Linden 17 Series Dual Function Tub and Shower. When seeking the best way to add functionality to the bathroom, this Delta Linden shower faucet will work great. This product is built to last, coupled with a strong, pressure-balanced valve. The unit allows you to choose from 5 different modes. The various settings suit all body needs, including fast massage, soft drench, full body spray, pause, and full body massage combo. After a tough day at work or exercise, you are sure to get a calming shower or a refreshing massage. Its single handle is reliable and easy to use. The curved design sits fine on the hands while turning it to change the pressure or regulate the temperature. Number 2. Our second best pick is Delta Faucet Windemere Single Function Tub and Shower Trim Kit. Sometimes it is hard to decide between style and functionality for shower kits. And the Windemere model has everything to offer both the right way. It features a potent full-body unit having enduring elegance. Delta applies the matchless oil-rubbed bronze gloss to offer a rustic feel and color to your home. Its handle and bathtub spout is classic to match any shower head, having a similar finish perfectly. Low water pressure resulting from clogged spray holes is frustrating. Removing the buildup often needs expertise in cleaning solutions. The manufacturer integrates touch clean technology to ensure the faucet works smoothly. It has soft rubberized spray nozzles, making it a breeze to clean with one finger or cloth wipe. Number 3. Our third best pick is Gadget Shower System. Every modern or upgraded bathroom needs a shower fixture with a smooth finish. One perfect addition is this functional Gadget model. This unit is a twofold shower featuring both rainfall and handheld heads. Most of its components are constructed from brass and other high-strength metals to provide extended serviceability. The ABS material makes it extremely durable and easy to clean. Brass is used for the valve element to prevent shocks from rapid temperature changes. 3 different settings are available on the handheld device, including a soft stream, a fast massage, or a full massage. Simply switch modes to get the desired level of luxury at home. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Delta Faucet Linden 17 Series Dual Function Shower Trim Kit. Delta Faucet's Linden T17238RB on our list of the top 10 shower fixtures offers unique features that make this faucet a standout. You might think it's plain at first glance, but it's great value for the money. When we tested it, we found that the 5 spray options it offers are unique and powerful. The water will flow forcefully and steadily throughout your body. It heals the body by focusing the flow of air on the affected areas, and it restores the body's necessary energy. In addition, the way it works with the spray head helps you stay hydrated by producing a drenching spray, trickle, or pause spray. The shower head can easily be removed when needed to replace it. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is SR Sunrise Ceiling Mount Brushed Nickel Shower System. If you need convenient showering, then the SR Sunrise Shower Faucet Kit is all you need. As the name suggests, this unit has a combination of a shower head and a brass arm. The head measures 10 inches and is neatly designed from stainless steel. Buying this device means the art in it provides the finest performance. Of course, this enables you to feel this luxury by using what you prefer. The pieces are fit for use by every family member, like kids, the physically disabled, and the aged. These materials used for construction make it strong enough and highly durable. Even better, the surface has a chrome finish that provides a sleek appearance. Also, this keeps the equipment free from rust and corrosion. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.